Supra's single access key provides convenient and secure access for individuals who require limited one-off or occasional entry to properties. Authorization is granted by the listing agent via the eKEY app for one-time lockbox access during a designated time window. Supra's single access key is designed for use by infrequent users who need one-time access to a listing on a pay-per-use basis. Single access user instructions. Connect with the listing agent to obtain single access to a lockbox assigned to a property. Open text message from Supra with invitation to set up access. Download the eKEY app and register with your information if a new user. Then complete the authorization. Open the eKEY app to view access date, time window, and any relevant property notes. Tap on Obtain Key in the eKEY app. Enter your 4-digit PIN and open the lockbox. For further assistance, visit eKEY resources at www.supraekey.com.